What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, I know it is after 12 o'clock and I'm just now chiming in. Now, y'all, I'm preparing myself. I'm gearing up for Vlogmas. I told y'all, your girl is going to be in there doing this, okay? I'm going to be doing this. So today is editing day. I tried last night to get a video out for y'all, which was the Simply Earth unboxing. It will be up in just a moment, so be patient with me. It'll be on Beauty by Sweet Angel with all the instructions on how to win the box, so be ready for that. Absolutely. And shoot, and I promise y'all, I tried to get it out. It didn't happen. So if you've already been on the community tab and you're wondering where's the video, it's coming, okay? So all of the instructions on what to do and how to do is there. Do not, I said do not comment that information on the community tab. It's not going to work there. That's not where the giveaway is going to occur, but you can make a comment, but to drop the information that I'm asking to put on that video, it's not going to make it, okay, y'all? So anyway, just wanted to pop in with that to give y'all some instructions because I want somebody to win this thing, okay? Y'all don't know. I'll be rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. So it's other giveaways that's getting ready to happen too from the Sweet Angel beauty bag. I've been a little backlogged, so I've been trying to get some videos out right now. So I will be back on that because it does take a little bit of time and patience and all of that. So that's it. Anywho, that's all I know right now. Just one of them days. Just one of them days. I'm supposed to be doing a belly treatment today. I don't know if I will. You know, I've done it on the channel before, but I'm trying to fit into this dress I got. I want to get this dress on Saturday, honey. Okay? So let me try that and see if I can get it popping today. But anyway, I'll see y'all on the next video. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Drop me some comments down below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and be ready for the giveaway when it's live, okay? When it's ready. So I'll see y'all on the next one. I love y'all. Be good, beautiful babes. Make sure you do one more thing, and that's share me with your world. Thanks a lot. Bye.